All right, so just met up with the customer at the dam at Lost Creek Reservoir, and I don't know if you guys can see Ben. Should. I'll turn this a little bit just in case. Should be able to see him now. Yeah, we're in the 8-1, and we got Dad and T and Red Charlotte behind us. If we end up using a winch, then just a good opportunity to try out that new winch that we put on Red Charlotte. So
we're gonna follow the customers down to close to where they're stuck, and then they'll leave their truck there and we'll go up.
Yeah, there's this girl who moved in across the street.
Pull it out. See how bad it is.
Yeah, we're not winching from the road. They're stuck down in that stuff and the road's way up there.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna happen. And that is pretty steep. There's the truck.
Oh, yeah, it's got a lot of sloped area behind it, though.
Yeah, that doesn't look too sloped.
Yeah,
we could drive to it.
I think we'll be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially if we're aired down a little bit. I don't think we should air down too far.
They've got that little bar that sticks out right on this side of it, so there's lots of room there to pull it back up on the solid stuff.
You thinking both trucks?
I think we'll only need one. We'll take them both down there.
Yeah.
I think we'll only need one.
I think we'll only need one also. We can hook to the
I don't think we're gonna have to air
rear.
down either.
We can hook to the rear with Red Charlotte, and then just turn the wheels to the driver.
It looks like we can go straight out from the nose of it and just pull it straight right up on.
Yeah, we could.
We'll try that first.
I just thought it would be funner for the video.
And it definitely would be. The rear is some real loose muck, though.
Yeah.
It might really cram the wheels and brakes full of mud if we pull sideways.
Well, we'd be pulling forward and sideways.
Wonder what possessed them to try and drive around there.
Well, you see the tracks. They were out of the water.
Yeah.
They slid into the water.
Yeah.
Are we not coming down here?
Maybe there's a... Oh, you'd have to cross the creek here, and it's got real steep banks.
Okay.
So there must be a place up here to go across. Yeah, because the banks of the creek right there, it's real narrow, but it's real deep.
Okay, yeah. There's a road that comes in from over there.
This isn't bad getting over there. I drove it last night.
Okay. It doesn't look bad.
So there's a sandbar over there if you wanted to air down there.
We might,
we
after
might
looking at it, we
to.
probably won't even air down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our tires are big enough, we'll probably be okay not airing down.
We'll show you. We'll take the lower road. The upper one's got about a 3-foot puddle in it right now. So I drove through that last night and was a little surprised.
Okay, sounds good.
We're gonna have to air down soon.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a shot and see how soupy it is. It actually looks, as we get closer to the vehicle, we might not even need to air down, but we'll see.
They're spinning a lot.
You can probably go straight to the road. I just don't think he could make it through there.
We'll follow him and film him going through. I'm still in 2-wheel drive. It is slick right there. Okay, I'll put it in 4-wheel drive just to keep it straight.
They're gonna have to lock in back there. And we've got that one hub. That's an issue.
If they don't go slow, they can probably go right. Or you can tell them to go that way, either way.
My hands are full.
If you need to lock in the hubs, that one is stiff and you have to use pliers. He has pliers in his pocket.
If you can hear me, there's pliers in the driver's door that you can lock in that hub. I was gonna swap it out with the new hub behind the driver's seat, but haven't yet.
We'll do that down there.
We aren't using them. He just got them.
Okay. If you guys went straight to the road instead of turning left, I think you'd have been fine. We should stop up here and wait for him. Oh, looks like he's gonna stop here.
They just stopped to lock the hubs in, so
What's that?
They just stopped to lock their hubs in.
they'll be right up.
Now this is where I parked last night. So who's Caleb?
Me.
I'm Gil.
Nice to meet you. Caleb. That's Ben, my brother.
He's the one that did this.
Nice. Good for you.
Yeah.
Just trying to get to a better fishing spot. Okay. I'll drive this down there. I'm probably gonna have to start like 15 feet before it and kind of shoot up that hill.
Yeah.
That's a pretty nasty tick.
I don't know if you can see the angle. The GoPro is straight up and down. This isn't even the steep part. It's a pretty good side hill. Looks like only your right rear is spinning. Replace that hub real quick?
Yeah, I think so. It's got to be it, right?
Yeah, I would think.
Yeah. It's not locking in.
That's why we brought the spare. This is the one that's dented and didn't want to turn anyway.
That spare bit me the other day. Thought it broke my toe.
Okay,
Let's try that.
there we go. Now it's working. Okay. Don't roll your truck. A little tipsy there.
Did I get you the spotter? Apparently I just hit a rock and almost rolled.
Yeah, you're past all the rocks now. There's no big rocks in front of you anymore.
Don't slip into me, please.
It is slippery and steep.
Coming through.
No, I'm gonna stop right here in case we need to pull the rear. I'm gonna get out this side though. This side's not as muddy.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
We are getting ready for the Off-Road Games 2026. And these are the rigs we're gonna take. The Blue Diesel, and this is an old but loved, the Humtero. But we got some modifications to make.
Oh yeah. So he's spinning the tires so that he can dig some holes so the winch won't just drag him. It would have to pull him up out of the holes to be able to drag this vehicle. It feels like it's pulling it nice. But it doesn't feel like it's even struggling.
Now. Okay, hang on a sec. Now let's put it in high. Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh man,
Look at that.
I love that winch. These tires have nothing.
Can it move under its own power?
Not really.
I think we can get it turned around.
It might if I rev it up, but we'll want to back Red Charlotte out of the way first and then try it.
Okay.
I think we'll probably have to, once we get it turned around, hook onto it with that to drag it through.
I
It
think
won't
so,
go on
too.
its own.
Yeah.
So
Well, if we can get it turned around though, then we can hook a rope to it.
yeah, and just pull it through with the rope. Okay, I'll get that out of the way. I'll just back up out of the way and then come back up. And we'll try and turn it around.
So this is the 360 one, remember?
Uh-huh.
So what you see on the thing is what it sees that way, but it literally all the way around and all the way up and down.
So I'm doing a long selfie.
Yeah. You want to do a longer selfie?
Oh my goodness.
Well, I'm not in the shot anymore.
You can do a bird's eye view. No, you're still in it.
I'm so glad you
He's going downhill.
Up there. I was a little worried about them and Dad, but I just kept it a little closer down to the bottom instead of going higher.
I wasn't worried about them. I was worried about the truck. I didn't want it to get hurt. I love that truck.
It's not the first time it's been rolled.
Okay, 007. See if it'll pull it over. Keep in it.
You're against a rock now.
You gonna try it first or just pull them through?
No, we're just gonna pull them. There's no way that's gonna make it through there.
It feels good up on this stuff, but as soon as you get on the steep stuff, it's gonna go right into the slot, and then it won't move. And it'd be better to hook it up now than down in there. Because that water gets deep quick. That tire was just getting ready to drop. Yep. So are they going to drive it out or?
Yeah. T, did you shut that off? The camera. You just filming the ground?
So they have a 5-acre fish pond up here. They have 50,000 acres. That's a big chunk. They've had it since late 1800s. Wow. It's awesome. That's really awesome. And when he was putting oil in it before, it dumped on the headers, so the exhaust manifold's gonna burn that off for a few minutes.
You're not registered. Are you registered? Yeah. You make it fun when you got the right tools, guys.
Yeah, it's amazing what some decent traction tires that are large will do.
Yeah.
And then lockers and
Well, if we
winches and all that
had any
stuff.
more trouble, we'd let air out of the tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
That
full
makes-
air pressure.
that makes
I
it
could have
huge.
driven around like nothing over there with low air
You're
pressure.
just rubbing it in right now.
But
Sweet. Let's get up to some solid ground and we'll square up with you guys.
Sounds good.
Get you on your way.
You want one in front, one in back?
Yeah,
or-
I'll come up behind him.
You're driving.
So you came through there in two-wheel drive.
Apparently, see, now my skills seem amazing. You were doubting
Bring
me,
up
but
the
I
rear.
did that in two-wheel drive.
That is slippery.
Catch you later. Hasta luego.